today's fast-paced world, the efficiency of your fleet can define the success of your business. Whether you're transporting goods, managing a rental fleet, or running a logistics operation, your vehicles are more than just assets, they're the lifeblood of your company. But managing a fleet is no easy task. From fuel management and driver behavior to vehicle maintenance and security, every detail counts. This is where the right vehicle tracking telematics system makes all the difference. DigitFMS offers cutting-edge telematics solutions designed to give you complete control and insight into your fleet's operations. With real-time tracking, detailed analytics, and advanced reporting, you can optimize every aspect of your fleet management. No matter the industry, the right telematics system enhances productivity, reduces costs, and increases safety. In transport, telematics ensure timely deliveries and efficient routes. In rental, it protects your assets and monitors usage. In logistics, it optimizes routes and tracks every movement. The Digit D-Cut solution puts you in total control of your vehicle. In the event that a tracking device is tampered with or removed, D-Cut instantly immobilizes the vehicle, preventing it from being driven away. In case of theft, you can remotely activate D-Cut via secure SMS to safely stop the vehicle or prevent it from being moved. Add another layer of security with the D-Cam. This advanced camera system offers live video streaming, AI-driven driver behavior analysis, and an evidence center portal. With D-Cam, you can monitor your drivers and cargo in real time, ensuring safety and compliance. Our telematics solutions provide comprehensive fleet management capabilities. From real-time updates and custom reports to automated alerts and historical data, you can manage your fleet with unprecedented accuracy and efficiency. In the unfortunate event of vehicle theft, the impact on a fleet can be substantial. The loss of a vehicle not only disrupts operations, but can also lead to significant financial loss. This is where DigitFMS's stolen vehicle recovery system steps in to safeguard your assets. Our 24/7 control room is at the heart of our recovery efforts. Staffed by highly trained professionals, the control room continuously monitors your fleet, ensuring real-time tracking of all vehicles. The moment a vehicle is reported stolen, our team springs into action. Using advanced telematics, the control room pinpoints the exact location of the stolen vehicle, even if the tracking device has been tampered with. Our system is designed to outsmart thieves by automatically activating recovery protocols, including vehicle immobilization and secure tracking. The DigitFMS recovery teams are then dispatched to the vehicle's location, working in close coordination with law enforcement to ensure a swift and safe recovery. Don't just take our word for it, our clients have experienced significant improvements in their operations.
Thank you very much, I appreciate it. We've been using DigitFMS now for, I think it's about 4 years now. Very impressive system.
We monitor all our generators through DigitFMS, which has been a great relationship. Thoroughly impressed with how it all works and how it makes our lives easier.
From reduced fuel costs to enhanced vehicle security, DigitFMS telematics deliver results that matter. Take the next step in optimizing your fleet. Contact DigitFMS today to schedule a demo and see how our solutions can transform your business.